you think cheats more? Is it man or woman? Man, happy man. Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm taking it on the road. As you know, we have to put in the work as a YouTuber, and I am ready to put in the work. So today we're going on the road to do a public interview. Myself, Kenny's vlog, and my sister Slimatic Aisha.
Hey guys!
My next sister, Toniel. She doesn't have a channel, but Slimatic, you have a channel. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So we will meet you when we get there. Bye guys! So guys, we're walking to Maypen. We're currently at M3. My first stop will be at a barber shop. I'm gonna check a few people there and see if they're interested to be featured in this video. Alright? One chicken. Alright guys, so we're in Maypen, I mean House of Fabric, where the good hear themselves and the good things themselves. I'm here with Jade. I'm here with Jade. So Jade, who do you think she's more? Is it man or woman? Most man. Talk about the camera.
I'm most man good girl.
What do you think man she's more?
Them just can't satisfy enough. Hear all you do. You black up on your head, bend over, eyes up. One man a dog, man a go cheat.
Who do you think cheats more? Is it man or woman? Man, happy man. Justify your answer. Why do you think men cheats more? You know what? Yeah, right. Alright, so what's her name?
Jamon.
Huh?
Jamon.
Jamon. Alright guys, so I'm here with Jamon. Who cheats more? Is it man or woman?
Still not the right answer.
It still doesn't feel good.
For my opinion, I thought about it. Because I understand what I'm doing.
But then again, I know it's a woman have to possess a certain quality. Woman are look for.
Here.
So what if you
when
possess
the
that
woman
quality?
have the quality and the man a go cheat, him a go cheat. And a woman make man cheat you.
Okay.
So what's her name? Alright guys, so today we are with David. We're in Shepherd's Fair. Sorry. Alright, so David, who do you think cheats more? Is it man or woman?
I think both side cheat, but I'm the woman.
What do you think make man cheat then?
Just nature, man nature.
Or you think you're being selfish because you're a woman?
No. Hell no.
Yeah?
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Or do you think it's vice versa?
Alright.
So So men cheat and women
Women
cheat.
cheat and women cheat. Why? So far. Yes, women cheat and women cheat. I got a very well for a long time.
Okay. Alright, so what is your name? So guys, we're here with Liston. And I have a question.
Yeah, I hear you.
Who do you think cheats more? Is it man or woman?
Both ways.
Me tell you something about man. Woman no have to do them nothing. Every fractal man see them want.
You hear that, guys?
Good girl. Every fractal man see them. They don't want
Don't
it.
look at this video. Alright, so on the camera. Oh, wala barbelly ang God. Alright, Jade, finish justifying your answer, Jade.
Back me up.
Alright, so we're going to move the camera over to Sean. Give us
Stand
your
back me
view.
up. Because me want to know if I no man cheat. Me not woman. Me not be biased.
Here, now because Jade said man cheat, now you're going to follow her. Your personal opinion. Not man or woman. Who do you think cheats more?
Yeah, man cheat. But guess what? Woman cheat more so many times, you know.
Okay.
Alright, baby, you can justify your answer. Why do you think women cheat more?
You know, some women, someone can be any kind of the attention, like I know someone, someone has to do other stuff. You know, some moves like move where no one don't want attention. And this one you must cheat, you know, really know because you cheat in a way. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand what you mean, but that doesn't justify why they cheat more.
Anyway,
Not because you cannot tell when they cheat, doesn't mean they cheat more. In some cases,
In
women cheat
some
more,
cases,
right?
or sometimes woman, because of needs and wants, they do certain stuff. So, woman will cheat. You're not going to say no lie because sometimes the man look a bit of money cannot maintain you. So you go out there and just get some more
Sometimes
money.
when they with one man, he don't give you no money. Little bit of money. Why do you little bit of money?
Look at my camera.
Which camera?
Look at the camera right there.
Food.
Yes, man.
And when things are gone, you little bit of money, you know. You wind up sit down with you.
I agree.
You know what boy do?
What do I do?
Boy get here, a girl out the road that get the whole light and you there yard wash, cook and clean and I rub out it. Me not mess with me.
Guys, when I hear that for myself, so Jade, who feels it, knows it, right?
Yes, girl.
Thank you very much, Jade. And so we can put it somewhere else.
Yeah, welcome.
A TV data comes from no one connected.
Alright, guys, so we're... I'm a master already. You know?
No, I don't want this to be fierce. I don't want this to be fierce. Eclipse Beauty Salon and Spa.
Alright guys, so today we're at Eclipse Beauty Salon and Spa and we're with Tracy. No, I don't know. Have you ever been cheated on?
You ever walk up on TV?
Yes, of course. What do you think are one of those reasons why?
They can't satisfy for most of the time, and they're not honest with themselves. And you know, being in a relationship, you have to be compromised. You have to give up sometimes your right to peace.
So the Bible said, guys, they're not cheating.
So, yeah.
So we hear it from the girl herself. Men, don't cheat more. You're only happy to better. Can you justify your answer?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and justify it for the vlog.
Okay. Normally, a woman don't cheat.
They know how to.
Yeah, because a woman cannot cheat anymore.
But most men said that when the woman cheats, they can tell.
No, not all the time.
Okay.
Not all of cheat. Because a man will call a woman, and a woman answer the phone just like a woman calling. As soon as a woman call a man, the man
Get panic?
get panic or you know what to say.
And some of them know you can find certain things to do. They're cheat, they'll go outside relationship and cheat.
I do agree, but I beg to disagree.
Why
Because you have someone, right? You have the woman. She do everything for him, give him everything he wants, and let him go out there. But you, because you have whatever sexy girl out
Yeah,
there.
but what kind of, there must be one thing missing out of the relationship, you know, where a man cheats. You know, so, this is not one thing a man wants, you know. Come on, they can come home to them, get their meal, and get, you know, come first. That's all a man wants to do.
No, you can see for yourself, you can't see for the majority.
Yeah, still, I got myself not speak.
Yes.
Can't speak the internet.
Because you have man, I've heard women talk about it. They give him everything, and yet he still cheats on her. For me, I think men cheat more.
Still, for me, both sides, but what I give little edge to
To
female.
the female.
Yeah, them cheat slightly, yeah.
Okay. Alright, thank you very much for your time. Okay, so if a woman cheats, that will help keep it her root. Can you tell it to you guys? So most men say that they can tell that one. If they can know that one.
No. Cannot.
No.
You know that. So because a woman can, yeah, it depends. But I have some man bigger than some. So a man is big, he take a smaller one. So
Can't
he
tell.
can tell.
I think women cheat more.
Women cheat more? But that's your opinion. Just defy your answer.
Number one, relationship all comes down to age, or in your life and in your life, crushes and all that. Women, well, women see men cannot be content. Men cannot be content either. However, I'm not going to ask them.
I'm waiting. Alright, so thank you, Jamon. It was a pleasure interviewing you. So you hear it from the man himself. He said this is equality. When it comes on to cheating, it is equality. Men and women, they both cheat. Alright, we're going to
Okay, have a nice day.
say big up the Kenny's vlog.
Big up to Kenny's club.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Okay.
Alright, so the public interview, it is difficult by itself, and we have barriers towards it. So some people don't want to be on the camera while we have music in most places. Today is Friday, so you know everywhere you turn, in the stores and outside, they have music playing. So I didn't get to do much. However, I'll do a little vlog with it. So hope you guys understand it was my first attempt, and hope you like it. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for another vlog. Peace, we're out.